This is the Bradley Kimura butterfly knife. It's branded Bradley, but I believe it's made by Bear & Sons Cutlery. They do the warranty work for it, and on Bradley's site they talk about they do the design. And I don't think they specifically say that they outsource the manufacturing, but I'm pretty sure that's who made it. But it is made in the USA. Has G10 grips. This is the OD green. I kind of like that you can just see the name Bradley. It's centered on the blade so you can see it when the handles are closed. And you can see it says Bradley Cutlery and first production run. I'm not sure how many they made in their first production run, so they could all say that. But this is their first production run. It's a spear point blade. It's pretty pokey. Not super sharp. It's not razor sharp. On the other side of the blade says made in the USA. 154 cm, that's the steel type. 801, I'm not sure what the 801 is. The blade length is 3.88 inches. Overall length is 8.88 inches. Pivots are pretty tight. There's not a lot of slop in there. It's a little bit of looseness, but there kind of needs to be. I've had in the past really cheap ones that were really sloppy and you'd get a lot of movement. But that's pretty sturdy. It weighs 6.07 ounces. Has a bead blast finish. And mine's is a little dulling in spots, but that's from opening boxes with it. I picked this one up at a local gun shop. It was about $125. I've had people tell me that they've bought it for less from Bear & Sons, I believe. When I looked at their website, they had it listed for like $168. That's as of when I'm making this video. The G10 grips, you get really good grip. Has a real positive grip to it. So you have good control. But still, you can work it easily. That is the Bradley Kimura butterfly knife.